Today we're going to be taking the soles off the Air Jordan 1s. What's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. Today we're going to be taking the soles off the Air Jordan 1s. Now how we're going to do this? Well, first we're going to take the laces out. We're going to take the shoe tree out of the inside. From there, we're going to be taking the insole out. So then I will reach in, take the insole out. From there, we're going to take the thread right off the sole. Now how are we going to do that? Well, I got myself this little pick. It's down, the link's in the description if you want your own pick. And what I'm going to be doing is pretty much just picking out all the thread along the midsole. From there, we're going to go back to my backyard. I'm going to pour in acetone. We're going to let it sit for about 30 minutes or so. Peel the upper right off the sole, and we got ourselves a Jordan sole. That's how I get my soles. That's how you should be doing it. So with that being said, I'm going to take the shoelaces off, then I'm going to take the insole out, and then from there we're going to take the thread off the midsole. So I took the insole out. As you can see, there you got the thread at the bottom. Just get that piece of tape and you just want to rip it right off. So there we go, we have it right off. So now you got the thread in there. What you're going to do is you're gonna get your little handy dandy pick, see where the thread's at. You wanna put your finger on the outside, so it's about right there. That's where the thread is tied. And you just wanna get your pick, and you pretty much pull up the thread, and that's the thread that was on the insole, or on the inside of the shoe. From there, what we're gonna do, if I could grab it, is pretty much get a hold of it, pull it up, and the end thread, the bobbin I guess you want to call it, the bottom thread comes up, and you just pull it right through, and you pretty much do this around the whole shoe. Very simple, very easy. You got to do this for both shoes. You pretty much got to do this little process right here. Sometimes, you know, you could get lucky just like that and you go through 2 threads, but that's what I'm doing right now. So what I'm gonna do is just keep on doing that around the shoe. From there, we're gonna go to the second shoe, and then after that, we're gonna take the sole right off. But first, I got to rip all this thread out, and then I'll be right back. So they're both finished. As you saw, it was very easy. You just need the pick, just kind of pull the thread right through around the midsole. As you can see, the bottom is now fully empty. We got the insole out. That's going to be used for the final shoe, so I'm going to be throwing that into the Travis Scotts because these are for the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. But for right now, what we're going to be doing is taking these to the backyard. We're going to fill them with acetone, sit them for about 30 minutes or so. From there, we're just going to slowly peel it right off. Shouldn't be too hard, but this is kind of what they look like for right now. This is what I'm working with. You know, they're Air Jordan 1 mids. I got these from Shoe Palace. So, you know, just normal Jordans, whatever. I'm not too sure if the patent is gonna be easier or harder. I've had in the past where the patent is very easy to get off compared to just, you know, just normal. I don't know, it's because it's the finish. It's just a little bit easier to get off. I'm not too sure, but what we're gonna be doing now is filling these with acetone, then removing the soles. Real quick, the time lapse was off my phone, so hopefully it came out perfect. The battery on my camera died, unfortunately, so I recorded on my phone. Hopefully that turned out well, but as you can see, we now got our uppers with no soles. They're pretty much all intact. We don't have any soles, and here are the soles. We got the just white midsoles, black bottoms. Very simple, very easy, not too hard. We just took out the thread on the midsole, ripped it out after pouring the acetone in. We got ourselves a nice midsole, bottom sole, full sole, and now they're ready for the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. Let me know what you think about these. Comment down below if you learned something. Hopefully you learned something from this. Hopefully you do it to your own shoes. But these are the midsoles. You got the white mid, black bottom. These are gonna go on the Travis Scotts. The next video will be applying these to the Travis Scotts. So I'm super excited about that. But thanks for checking out this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out all my other videos. Check out some of the merch down below. It really helps out the channel, and have a great day.